Do you want to know how you can set Bing as your default browser? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can set Bing as your default browser. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Now to set it to default, go ahead and click on your profile, which is on the left hand side corner, and go to settings. Now you can see the set as default browser. Go ahead and click on it and click on browser app. Now choose Bing, go back, and there you go. Bing has now become your default browser. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can change or set Bing as your default browser. Go ahead and open Bing, go to your profile, which is on the left hand side, click on settings and click on set as default browser. Now click on browser app and select Bing. This way your default browser will be changed to Bing. I hope this video about how you can set Bing as default browser was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.